Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use split screen and drag and drop on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start by simply opening any window on our smartphone, for example the web browser. Now we're gonna have to swipe up to open the recent menu and hold your finger down on your window and drag it to top or bottom to use the split screen mode, or to the middle to enable the pop-up view, so basically the window view. And in case of the split screen, to enable it, you're gonna have to not only to drag your application to the side of your screen, but also select an application to use on an opposite side of your screen, and then you'll be able to use both applications at once. Now to close the pop-up view, let's tap the navigation bar and tap the X icon, and now we can resize each window we have opened in the split screen mode using this invisible bar between our windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.